everybody, how are you? I hope you're doing great. Today this design is gonna be with music in the next room, so I hope I don't have problems with all that copyright thing, but let's see what happens. So I'm experimenting to that because I cannot say, quiet. It's good. I love my family. It's playing, jamming. So while they are doing that, I'm gonna show you something that I think is gonna be a cool idea. One of the many ideas you can do using the squeakers or noise makers for stuffed animals. So look. So that's what I'm talking about. Where to find this? It's a really good thing because you can find it on Amazon like for $7, 100 approximately, or even $6 for 100 of these little things. And these can last forever, so you can always keep it with you a bunch and just maybe make some at the end of the party. Or if you are in a New Year's Eve party, you want to make noise, loud things, this can be a cool idea. Any simple thing can be a squeaker, and it's gonna be wow for people. So one thing important, kids would love to squeak, get a squeak, and doing this too much for a balloon, it make you balloon weaker and pop. So one thing that you can do, it's double stuffing. So that's what I'm thinking. I made that design. I'm gonna show you so you have an idea. This is an idea of what we're gonna make. We can make it more elaborated, we can make it with more details, yes. I'm talking about the sword, and this is the fun part. Kids are gonna grab it this way, and then they can be squishing and squishing and squishing. Now, I tried when I was making this double stuffing already. So all this is double stuffing, and this is just a single balloon. But what happened is because it popped when I was doing the whole process. And while I was doing the whole process, I was thinking, wait, but I like now people can see two colors, which is cool too. So there is nothing too bad if this happened to you. If the balloon pop, good, especially in this area, because the rest you're gonna keep using it for your sword, and it's soft. And the best part, I think, it's something strong. Kids can play with, squish, hold it, squish, and have fun. I think this is gonna be a hit. If you wanna be annoying and making loud music sounds, look at this. It's gonna be super loud. So this is gonna be the fun part. Let's do this. And what you're gonna need is first 2 balloons. So I'm gonna use, this is a green, what is those see-through colors? It looks very dark, but it's a green color, emerald green. And this is a yellow 260. Both are 260. So how to double stuffing? This is one way, okay? If you have these sticks, this is from, like to make your scarf, sweaters with wool, knitting. But if you have it, it will be awesome if this is covered. Why? Because sometimes this pointy thing can make damage the balloon. So I don't have anything, so I'm gonna take the risk. And I'm gonna put the balloon that is a solid color, like, regular color, inside. So I'm just doing this, and then from the outside is going to be the jewel color. Now play with other tones, even double stuffing a chrome from the outside and any color inside. It can make just your balloon also be stronger and last longer. Then when you have it like this, normal, it's there, trying to give it a pull all the way to here. That way this is stretching and it's skinnier, and it's going to be easier to get in there. So that's what I'm doing. I'm now pull the other one on top. So remember, things doesn't have to be perfect. Don't force it. If it doesn't fit anymore, don't force it. Now you're gonna let it go. Look. And what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna just pull and try to fit things like this. Look, pull, it's there. And then everything is gonna just be perfect. You can feel it too, okay? And remember, things doesn't have to be perfect, but you are gonna try and do your best. Okay, look, even that I'm touching the yellow, for some reason is all the way to here, which is only here, and then you have this empty space of the yellow. But it's okay. I'm gonna now blow it, and you can use a 260, but before you blow, maybe it's gonna be a good idea to introduce your squeaker. So I'm gonna grab one of my squeakers, scrub one. It doesn't matter which side go first. I don't think that matters. So you're gonna put it inside. Again, if you want to try with only one balloon, don't double stuff it, it's fine. You can always pre-make the double stuffing and do it at home, and that way it's going to be easier. Even put it inside the squeaker is going to be something you can pre-make. So you can have this, something like this already to take it. Look, you just have this already pre-made. So when you want to make this design, it's ready to just blow the air and twist. Okay, so now you're going to blow. Imagine you are making a pirate sword. So how much air you're going to do? It's, you know, almost all the balloons. So like, leave 3 to 4 fingers approximately, okay? Let's start it. So it's gonna be a little bit harder to blow, but it's okay. So look, I'm gonna show you. I'm inflating the balloon, leaving 3 fingers approximately, okay? And even that, I'm gonna lose some air to make everything soft and squishable as possible. Then you're gonna tie it. 2 balloons, it's if you can, it's maybe, Cecilia, it's too hard. If it's too hard, just make sure at least you tie the one inside, okay? The yellow one. Okay, so now you kind of like have how long you want the sword to be. So that's what I'm thinking is, so approximately something like this. This is a design that, how long is this? Like my elbow all the way to the tip of my toe, to my fingers, plus 6 fingers more, okay? Something like that. You will find out, you know, how long is this, because you don't want also that long, and you need a space to do the rest. So from here you just squish, and look, also make sure you're squishing the balloon so that everything is soft and squishable. You know, it's very important. So you squish, and now you're gonna grab the squeaker. So you're gonna feel it, just feel it. It's everything there soft and squishable. And it's right here. I can hold it, I can manipulate it, and it's there. You can feel it. So now you're gonna twist, but you don't need to twist much. Only a little bit in the middle, so then it's trapped in there, the squeaker. When you squish, it's gonna make sounds. And in order to secure, it's nothing wrong to grab a balloon scrap. I'm gonna use this one because it's right here. It's just a broken piece of balloon 260. I'm gonna show you. And this scrap, you just have to hold it there, look like this. It's grabbing, pull, and pass this around a couple times, okay? So the idea is you cover that and tie it there in the center. So when you tie 1 and tie 2 times. So that is secure. The rest you can cut the excess, so you have something like this. Now you can always taste it, okay? Test it, taste it. It's working great. Now what else from here? You're gonna measure about, and remember, squish. So then it's soft and squishable, because you don't want this to be too tight. You wanna make something like the hand where the kids are gonna be holding. Then you're gonna squish in, always before you twist, make a 2-finger bubble pinch twist. You can make more than 2-finger bubble pinch twist. You can make 3-finger bubble pinch twist if you want. But the idea is you have to make sure, at least if you twist, don't even make a pinch twist. Because what you need to make sure is you have enough to make a loop, and then the rest go around. Now in my case, I have to, that's what, you know, your iPad kind of like mathematically, you kind of like figure it out how to make sure it's only one balloon design. So, or actually 2 balloons, because it's double stuffing. Anyways, now you have here this moment. I'm not gonna make the pinch twist only because I don't think I will have enough. So you have to calculate, okay? So I'm gonna make it, let's see what happens. If you just twist it there, bend this part, like the loop you wanted, and then right here, approximately, so this is a slightly longer, like whatever you make here for the handle of the kid, this one is gonna be 3 to 4 fingers longer, the one to this side, this bubble. Then you're gonna squish, always squish first, twist, make 1 little bubble pinch twist, if you can. Keep squishing if you feel nice and gentle, because remember the balloon inside is smaller. And then you're gonna grab this around and cover that. That's the best part. You're gonna cover that space. Okay, just pass it around so that way it's more stable there. The part you cover it, and then if you have a tip and a tip there, you guys pass it around to a pinch twist. Remember, this is just an idea. There is always many ways to make the same design So have fun. Twist it very well, tie it if you have time, but you're gonna end up with something like this. I'm gonna show you how it's looking, and this is the cool part. You have a very cool way to make a sword. Look at this, it's a pirate sword, but it's not just a simple pirate sword. It's something the kids, when they play, they're gonna feel comfortable to grab this part and squish them while they play. Many times, and I think it's gonna be something safer to give it to a kid. Trust me, with practice, this can be super much faster. And this is just an idea. Let's stay tuned, but I think for, when you think about New Year's Eve designs, it's always something, you know, noise maker, or something with lights, like LED lights, or something with glitter or confetti. So this is one of those ideas, but at the end, this can be an idea to use it for many other designs and also for many other occasions. That's what I wanted to say. Many other occasions. So I hope you like it. This is the design. Trust me, it can be like twisting, especially if you have pre-made everything before. Like for example, double stuffing and already adding the little squeaker in there, ready to inflate and twist. Okay, that's all. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and on the description of all my videos, you will find ideas how to collaborate with this channel, because this channel is thanks to your collaboration and your support. So I hope you can do it. Check out, I have my Amazon wish list. I have my address. You can send balloons or anything you would like to decorate the balloon room that is right now full because I am going to do a balloon decor. So, ciao, ciao.